In fact, it wasn't any different from any other day because it was in the palace here, and where we are living is just across to the new built primary school. So all we have to do is to wake up in the morning and just enter the next building, which is the primary school.
Did you like school?
Yes, I do.
An average student, above average, below average?
Below average.
Did your teachers give you any special treatment?
No, because you see the schools then in the palace was newly constructed, and most of the boys are all from the palace. It was only later on that we have boys from outside the palace, like people like Isa Wali, who died, and one or two others whom we started together. It was only later on that other boys from outside the palace were admitted into the school. So there was no reason that I should be given any preference because we are all brothers and sisters here.
What of sports? Were you interested in sports?
Yes, I was. I was not in the primary school. When I went to secondary school, I was interested in hockey and athletics.
Talking about secondary school, middle school, what are some of your fond memories of those days?